When homeowners in Palmetto Bay plan renovations, they often look for upgrades that combine style, functionality, and long-term value. One feature that consistently stands out is the bay window. Known for its distinctive design and ability to transform both interior and exterior spaces, bay windows have become a popular choice in many renovation projects throughout the area. One of the main reasons bay windows are so popular is their ability to enhance natural light. In a sunny location like Palmetto Bay, maximizing daylight is a priority for many homeowners. Bay windows are designed with multiple panels that allow light to enter from different angles, brightening the room throughout the day. This creates a more open and inviting atmosphere, reducing the need for artificial lighting and making everyday living spaces feel more comfortable. In addition to improving light, bay windows also create the illusion of more space. Because they extend outward from the wall, they add depth to a room and make it feel larger than it actually is. This is especially valuable in living rooms, dining areas, or bedrooms where homeowners want to create a more open and airy environment. Even a small extension can make a noticeable difference in how the space is experienced. Another key benefit is the enhanced view. Bay windows provide a wider perspective of the outdoors, allowing homeowners to enjoy more of their surroundings. Whether it's a landscaped yard, a garden, or coastal scenery, these windows frame the view in a way that adds character and interest to the home. This connection to the outdoors is a major reason why they are often included in renovation plans. Bay windows also offer versatility in how the added space is used. The extended area can be transformed into a cozy seating nook, a reading corner, or a decorative display space. Some homeowners even incorporate built-in benches or storage to maximize functionality. This flexibility allows the window to serve both practical and aesthetic purposes. Energy efficiency is another factor that contributes to their popularity. Modern bay windows are built with advanced materials and insulated glass that help regulate indoor temperatures. In Palmetto Bay's warm climate, this means reducing heat gain while still allowing natural light to enter. By improving insulation, bay windows help maintain a more consistent indoor environment and support overall energy efficiency. Ventilation is an added advantage when the side panels are operable. These windows can be opened to allow fresh air to circulate, helping reduce indoor humidity and improve air quality. In a coastal environment, having the option to combine natural light with fresh air enhances comfort and creates a more enjoyable living space. Curb appeal is another major reason homeowners choose bay windows during renovations. Their unique shape adds architectural interest and makes a home stand out. Whether your property has a traditional or modern design, bay windows can be customized to complement the overall style. This visual upgrade not only improves your home's appearance but can also increase its market value. Durability is also an important consideration. High-quality bay windows are designed to withstand the elements, including heat, humidity, and occasional storms. With proper materials and professional installation, they provide long-lasting performance with minimal maintenance. Speaking of installation, professional expertise is essential for ensuring that bay windows perform as intended. Because they extend outward, they require proper structural support and precise fitting. Experienced installers ensure that the window is secure, sealed, and aligned correctly, which helps prevent issues like drafts or water intrusion. Another reason bay windows are popular in renovations is their ability to modernize a home without completely changing its layout. They offer a noticeable upgrade that enhances both appearance and function without requiring major structural changes. This makes them a practical option for homeowners looking to make impactful improvements. In the end, bay windows continue to be a popular choice in Palmetto Bay renovations because they offer a combination of beauty, comfort, and versatility. From increasing natural light and expanding space to improving energy efficiency and curb appeal, they provide benefits that homeowners can enjoy every day. For those planning a renovation, Bay windows are a timeless upgrade that adds both immediate and long-term value.